Gen Z isn't waiting for retirement to see the world. They're rewriting the travel playbook right now. From hostels in Bali to co-working spaces in Lisbon, today's young travelers are prioritizing freedom, flexibility, and authenticity. Travel isn't just a vacation anymore, it's a lifestyle. According to Deloitte's 2025 Summer Travel Trends Survey, flexible travel bookings are at an all-time high, and Gen Z leads the pack in solo adventures. Times of India reports that younger travelers in India alone have driven a major uptick in last-minute, customizable trips. Gen Z blurs the line between work and play, spending weeks abroad while maintaining remote jobs. Travel apps like Hopper, Skyscanner, and Hostelworld allow them to book on the go, compare deals, and pivot plans instantly. Cooking with locals in Vietnam or volunteering on organic farms in Spain beats rigid sightseeing schedules. Tourism boards should promote flexible cancellation policies and highlight authentic local activities. Content creators and travel businesses can engage Gen Z by emphasizing transparency, sustainability, and shareable experiences. Instagram-worthy doesn't hurt either. Partner with co-working hubs or digital nomad communities to tap into this growing segment. Gen Z is redefining how the world travels, freer, smarter, and more connected than ever. Would you try a flexible solo adventure or workcation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Global Travel Horizons, and ring the bell for weekly travel news and trend updates.